The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through.
Hi everyone, it's DIY with Donna and Easy Sweetie.
Sorry.
Nope, don't apologize. We talked about this.
Right.
All right.
I know. Let's do this.
All right, today we're gonna show you how to... Daryl, what are you doing? Oh, no, you can't do that!
Trust the professionals at Seatown Electric, Plumbing, Heating, and Air for your next home project. We're one of the top home services companies in the Seattle region. We take pride in the work we do, and you will too. Save time, money, and the headaches. Visit our website today.
Call Seatown Electric, Plumbing, Heating, and Air.